Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Custom Adventurous. Alright, so today, this is what it's like to use the Apple Vision Pros as a college student. Alright, my name is Ben Kimball and I am the owner of the Custom Adventurous YouTube channel, and I have had the Apple Vision Pros for about the last 3 or 4 months, and I've been using them every single day, both in schoolwork, in YouTube work, and in business stuff. And this is my experience. Before we begin, I just want you guys to know that we are in a YouTube battle right now that I've just created against Technically T. He's another tech YouTuber with about a similar size channel as me, but he has 20,000 more subscribers than me. And obviously that's freaking unacceptable, so I need you guys to subscribe right now so we can beat Technically T in the subscriber count. We are at 80K subscribers and he's at 120. Are you freaking kidding me? He's destroying us. We need to beat him. So subscribe right now. Come on, let's beat T. Let's beat T. I don't think he watches any of my videos, so he'll never even know. Just kidding. He'll know because you'll comment on his videos. Obviously, I assume that all of you know what the Apple Vision Pros are. I'm not the YouTuber to tell you about that. You got like these bigger boys that they probably explained it a little bit better than I do. But as a college student, this is what it's been like to use it basically. Honestly, they are super lit when it comes to studying. I'm able to like throw up my textbook right in the air and also take notes on my paper and have music in the background, all kind of in these floating tabs. And that's one thing that's been really actually pretty useful for me. My favorite part is I can put it into full isolation mode. I can put it in the environment mode, and then I can throw in my AirPods Pro, turn on noise cancellation, and I can't hear or see a thing. I am fully dialed into the things that I'm doing. And then I can open my computer and I type on my computer and I can have the keyboard and the mouse there and it connects to everything. It's actually insane. It really helps to put me in the zone and really just focus in on my stuff. But I'm not gonna lie, they do give you some like head fatigue, some neck fatigue, and so you kind of just like when you're leaning forward. So what I found is you can basically just like, you can lean back and you can do the same thing standing up or whatever, sitting up, but like this, and just look at the ceiling with your head back, and it kind of braces your neck, and you can just do all your studies. Like I usually have my notes right here, and I have my textbook right here, and I could just do all the things, do the homework. It was it was actually kind of legendary. Using it during class was a little complicated, mainly because for some reason the transparency wasn't quite good enough, and I couldn't see the screen very well, and so I couldn't really take notes off of like the screen unless I like threw the notes into the Apple Vision Pros. But like when I was looking at it, I could hear fine, you know, it was great. I could interact with the people around me. It did get a lot of attention, but I couldn't really see the screen very well, and so that was kind of a downside. I wish I could have. That would have been cool. Honestly, using the air typing is kind of not the move for studying, at least if you're trying to type a lot of things. It just takes too long, and so I usually would just use my computer and have that connected. Which one thing that does bother me is the AirPods Pro. They kind of like, they're either connected to the Apple Vision Pros or my computer. They can't like do like the continuality thing very well, and so that was kind of annoying. For working outside, they're honestly pretty nice. You can kind of just like throw them on there, and like if I were to like just lay on the grass, like I have a clip of me doing it, I'll show you. I can just lay on the grass and take notes kind of in my lap and then just look at the screen. It's actually kind of legendary. It's honestly super convenient. This video is sponsored by MK1 Watches. Alright, so this company is an awesome company that makes automotive style watches, and I love their watches. They're amazing. This is one of their new watches. I love this one, and look at this thing. It spins and it's just beautiful. This thing is absolutely amazing, and honestly, I get compliments on these watches all day. It's crazy. I even got an extra one and I gave it to my brother, and he tells me that like literally every day people are like, whoa, what is that watch? Because it's just super, it's just really flashy, honestly. It's a really just nice looking watch, but it spins, and that's what usually grabs people's attention is the spinning. And so when it's just sitting there and it's just spinning, people are like, whoa, what is that watch? And so it's really awesome that way. I really love this watch. This is the blue and black colorway. It's super awesome. I think this is the Chiron series, and I honestly love it a lot. So I'll leave a link to the MK1 watches in the description, but their watches are super awesome, super clean, and honestly they're very affordable. It's not like they're these super expensive watches, and so they won't be breaking the bank, and honestly highly recommend them. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Being a college student though, I always study in the library. I basically freaking live in a dorm, which is basically a barracks, just like a bed and a desk, and it's not worth it, you know. I hate studying there. So I always go to the library, and holy crap, These things draw the most attention out of any tech thing I've ever reviewed in my life. I'll tell you that. I throw these on and holy crap, I kid you not, I'm in my session of my 2 hours studies, I'm stopped probably 4 times of people going, whoa, those things are sick. Whoa, can I try them? Whoa, those are awesome. Never seen those in my life. Like, I mean, I understand that probably nobody else on campus has them. Yeah, they are big attention getters. Like, I have some clips I'll show you of just people's reactions. They are hilarious. Check this out. Well, yeah, I can see everything, but like,
Dark enough.
do you see my eyes?
But yeah, so go ahead and get started on this one. When you're done with this lab, you're going to want to do lab number 5 as well. And for that one, if you what?
Literally stop the whole ping pong like Robocop.
Is this weird?
See you right now.
I see everything.
Is it a VR headset?
Yeah, kinda.
Cool.
Thanks. What? Yeah, is it? Now, for the real question here, should you buy the Apple Vision Pros to be a better college student? Absolutely not. I'll tell you that a computer will work just fine. A computer will do everything that you need. You won't have to, like, as cool as the Apple Vision Pros are, they're just too expensive and just too similar to what a computer can do. Is there certain advantages? Yes. But the battery life is low. It's not like super long. My computer lasts way longer. Sometimes I'd use my computer to charge my Apple Vision Pros. And frankly, it's just too expensive. But I think that in the future, if they tweak the technology, I think it could be amazing. I think there's a lot of potential in what you can do with the screens and the transparency. But for now, it's just too, I don't think it's just not worth it. Not worth it. $3,500, that is like tuition. More, less. If you're a college student, do not buy the Apple Vision Pros unless you do it like me. Also, there's a few things, like I think they still don't have any Google apps in the App Store, which bothers me a ton because I love using my Google Calendar as how I plan all my stuff, but I can't throw it up there at the same time because they're not supported on Apple Vision Pro yet. So freaking Google, freaking support the Apple Vision Pro already. Sorry, that's just me being mad here for no reason. It's tiring to wear them for a long period of time. I can't just throw them on for like 6 hours at a time. I definitely have to take breaks because it's just kind of, it's so immersive and it always leaves these epic marks on my face. So I think you saw that at the beginning, but they kind of go away after a little bit. They are a little sketchy to walk around with. I mean, they almost, some of the band, it like fits on good, but I'm always worried that it's gonna fall off my face because that would be absolutely terrifying. I do not recommend them for college students. Are they freaking awesome? Yes. Will you get a lot of attention? Yes. Are they helpful? Yes. But the computer will work just fine. You don't need the Apple Vision Pros unless you want them, of course. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video was informative. Hopefully it was a little entertaining with these clips. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. Let's beat T. So make sure to subscribe so we can beat technically T in subscribers. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.